AI has been moving so fast lately that it's really, really hard to keep up. You could take a vacation for a week and come back, and all of a sudden there's some major new breakthrough. So when I think about the AI spring, I think about the amazing things that happened, 2011 to 2016. Things are starting to blossom. I remember the moment that IBM Watson won Jeopardy, and how for some people that was the first time they even heard the term AI and machine learning. You look at the last few years, since 2021 and what we have today, there's a whole new level of AI. Now we're seeing things that pretty much AI is in actual front pages of newspapers, and teachers, schools don't know what to do with it. It's going to start actually impacting the world in many different ways. Before I joined Fidelity, I worked for a financial software company. I started as a natural language processing engineer, and the last 5 years I was there, I was heading up all the machine learning initiatives. What really, really excites me is the area of generative AI, where AI is no longer only predicting things. People are using it to generate text, generate code, generate images, and I think there's just so much possibility in pretty much every industry for this. That there's a lot of potential in this type of technology to really change education. So you can ask it, tell me what a 401k is, and you can get a pretty good answer. I wanted to see, could it give an answer for somebody that's a little bit younger who doesn't have the same background? The nice thing about it too is you can follow up. So let's say there is a term you don't really understand. You can then say, what does that mean? Or give me more details. And it understands you're going back on the previous question, and it will then follow up. I keep getting questions from everybody when are we going to get to these Terminator scenarios? And if you know how machine learning and AI is working behind the scenes, it's math. And math is never going to be able to come and have their own consciousness. One issue is misinformation. You can't really trust what you get back from AI. It's trained on information on the internet, but it's anywhere on the internet. It could say things that are incorrect, and you really don't know if it's correct, especially since it always, at least as of now, a lot of this technology sounds very sure of itself. Often you'll find bias within a lot of these systems. The regulation hasn't really happened as fast as the technologies happen. Are you allowed to train over data that you don't own, that's copyrighted, whether it's images or text or code? And we also have within FCAT people working on AI, exploring what's coming next to make sure that we're on top of all of these things. We really are trying to see how can we make the experience for our customers as good as possible.